be my best friend. Text away my weekdays, take up all my weekends. You could be my best friend. Tell me all your secrets, show me what you're feeling.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls TwinGodesses and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another unit from hermosahair.com. So if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check the description box down below where everything's going to be linked for you. But this time around, I got the opportunity to review Hermosa Hair's Pre Everything 13x6 HD lace bleached knots with those little tapes on the side lace front unit. This unit is a glueless unit, however you can install it if you choose to, and I'm going to tell you guys about the promotion that they have going on, so make sure you guys check out the last part of the video. But anyways, y'all, this is how my unit came directly out of the box. I am going to do some quick styling with this one. I'm going to go ahead and place a part in this unit. Now please ignore this part because when I got the wig on, the part was more to the left than to the right. So please ignore this part. I'm gonna fix it later. But anyways, I'm going to also lay that front hairline. I like to take my Eco Styler gel and just apply it. I love the fact that their hairline is tweezed, so you guys don't have to really do anything to this unit. I'm just gonna slick that hair back, and I also like to take an elastic band just to set it in place. I love doing this because it makes the hair ready to wear. You don't have to do nothing once you get the wig on. But this is how those curls look. Now you can wear this hair directly out of the box, but I am going to refresh those curls because I kind of felt like they were just a little bit frizzy for me. So what I'm doing is just taking my unbrush and detangling the hair. Then I'm applying a generous amount of water, and then I like to take my curly product. This is Curl Days gel, and I'm just going to apply some of that to the hair and then take my curl defining brush just to get those curls to pop. So I'm going to go ahead and do the entire wig, and once this unit is dried, we're going to see how those curls look. Okay, so now that the hair is fully dried, we're just going to take another look at the construction of this unit. Again, this unit is a pre-everything, pre-cut lace. It also has the little tapes on the ear tab areas, and it is a glueless. So we're going to go ahead and get this unit on. I do recommend, if you did style your unit using a curly product, to make sure that the wig has no cast left into it. But as you guys can see what those ear tabs look like, you just pull the backing off of the ear tab, and then the tapes stick right down into your skin. I really like it because this tape is really strong. Like, I had to use some alcohol to get this off, so it's very strong. So I am sure you can take the additional strips that they give you and place that along your entire front area. But I'm just gonna go for a glueless application today. I just applied a little bit of foundation on that lace just to make sure that that lace is blending into my complexion, because it was coming up a little bit light. I'm also going to create some baby hairs by just taking a few of the wispies and cutting them down some. I also like to take my Eco Styler gel, that's my baby right there, and apply a little bit on these little hair pieces and just kind of swoop them. I'm going to soften them up later just so that they look quite natural and not so plastered. I'm also going to use my edge band just to set the baby hairs in place. while I style this hair, because y'all see that part? This was supposed to be a middle part unit and I really messed that up. But what I'm going to do is just change it to a side part. So I went ahead and I did a deep C part. This unit has 13 by 6 inches of parting space, so you're going to get a lot of parting space with this one. But what I did do after parting the unit is refreshen those curls a bit, because when I went and manipulated the hair, it got a little frizzy. So I just applied a little bit of water and used my diffuser to dry the curls. Now the density of this unit is 220%, so this hair gets pretty big. Now I'm just gonna remove that edge band so we can have a better look at the baby hairs. Again, I will soften them up a bit, but what I am going to do is cut away those straggly hairs just to make sure that those ends look nice and full. You don't have to do this. I wanted a little bit of a layer as well, but you can skip it if you don't trust yourself. And I'm going to go through the hair with my afro pick just to make sure that this hair is super full and voluminous. Now these curls are super soft and super shiny. You guys can see them up close. I don't know what the texture of this is. I think it's just curly, but it's super cute. It gets even fuller the more that you play around with it. And again, y'all, the inch that I have mine in is a 20 inch, and this is where it falls on me. Now here are the angles of the hair. Again, the density is 220%, the length is 20 inches, and I am 5'8". And yeah, y'all, so again, this has 13 by 6 inches of parting space. Those knots are bleached. That lace is pre-cut, and this is not glued down, y'all. Just the little ear tabs, and that's it. And look how natural it looks. But anyways, this unit comes from Hermosa Hair. Now if you guys do place your order right now, they are giving away a free wig. So this is going to be a buy one get one free. This is a human hair bang unit. It has a little bit of lace in the crown area. It's silky straight, super soft, 10 inches long, y'all. You can't go wrong with this. This is like a throw on and go unit. So yeah, y'all, hurry up and pick up your wig, okay? But anyways, again, y'all, this unit comes from hermosahair.com. Definitely make sure you check the description area down below, where I'm gonna have some discount codes, as well as all the information is going to be linked for you all. But y'all, let me know what you guys are thinking about this one. Are you gonna get one and get a free one as well? Let me know, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.